Okay, our GPS just came on, so I'm going to show you the controls here. And to start your helicopter in smart mode or any mode, I believe, we're in smart mode right now, that signal with that green light. To start it, we're going to go left and right. And when you do that, the heli's props will start spinning. And that's going to be the go home point too. That's going to set the landing spot. Like I said, we're not going to test that because I already broke my helicopter once and I need to figure out the settings to be perfect before I try that again. But this is how it works in smart mode. When you hit the throttle, it's actually not going to be based on power. The throttle is going to be an altitude hold. So the higher you have the throttle, the higher your helicopter is going to be. The lower you have it, it's going to go to a different altitude and stay there. So it's very easy to control. You just push this up to wherever you want and you won't lose it. It can't go too high because you're not controlling the speed of the blades. You're just controlling the height, and the maximum height that it'll go to in smart mode is about 45 feet. It's a little windy here today. I don't know if you can tell, the trees aren't looking like they're moving too much, but it is a little windy here. And it's holding pretty darn good. It's got the GPS in there to hold it stable. In smart mode also, when you hit the forward stick, it's going to go forward no matter which way the helicopter is facing. It's still going out farther away, even though I was spinning the helicopter. If I press left, it's going to go left, in towards me. It's going to go in towards me, and there's a safe circle. Watch this, when we get close to us, it's going to stop. Won't come any farther because we're in a safe circle, so it will not get too close to us and won't hit us. So wherever the transmitter is, it'll stay like 15 or so feet away from. So as you can see though, wherever you point the right stick is where your helicopter is going to go. It doesn't matter which way the helicopter is facing. So this is really good for beginners because it's real easy to control. I got my camera facing to the right there, and if there was someone riding a bike on the right there, would have just got them perfectly, recorded. So there's lots of cool things you can do in smart mode, even if you're an advanced pilot, because you just can control like where the camera is. We got the camera pointing straight at us, and I want to show you guys one other thing. Go ahead and put it out there. Is that on screen? Oh, where is it? I can't see it. Okay, there it is. Bring it in a little closer. I pushed the wrong way because I'm used to flying real normal setup helicopters. Alright, so I got it set right there, and let me get it a little bit higher. And I don't think you guys probably know any other helicopter or any other thing you could do this with, RC wise. So I'm going to take my transmitter, put it on the ground. We got no hand. So, couldn't do that with any other helicopter. So that's smart mode. I think you guys understand. Just basically whichever way you push this right stick is the way the helicopter is going to go. It doesn't matter the orientation at all. So I'm spinning and coming back. So that's smart mode, guys. Let's go ahead and land it. I'm just going to get it on the ground. Now I've never tested stability mode. Light on the back just turned blue. I've never tested stability mode. Stability mode should be like a normal helicopter, how normal helicopters fly, but it's not going to let you go too crazy. So let's see what happens. This one also should not be altitude sensitive, and this one's going to fly like a normal helicopter. When you press forward, you're going to go towards the forward of where the helicopter is. It doesn't matter which orientation you're in. So this is more like a real helicopter flight for pilots that know how to fly, and very smooth, very stable. Here we are getting a picture of us. Okay, and in stability mode, I am way closer than 16 feet. So in stability mode, you do not get that safe circle. This helicopter is very smooth though. We'll get a shot of us here coming in by us, and I'll get this on camera, put a picture in picture. So this is going right by me. Very smooth and very nice. I'm going to go ahead and just land it. I think you guys get the gist of how this flies in this mode. And like I said, this is just normal helicopter controls for everyone that knows how to fly 4-channel fixed pitch or 6-channel collective pitch. If you know how to fly those, you'll be able to fly this. It's very simple. I'd recommend for beginners, try that other mode. But if you can fly even a coaxial, you could probably fly this. This is super simple. So go ahead now and land it. Oops, oops, oops. Hit the wrong button because I gotta not use that other mode. It's gonna mess me up. I'll just stick with the normal flight. I'm just gonna land it now. And hit my throttle off if I got it. There we go.